Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is: on Amazon you will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Perfect for travel. The Sherpa Pet Tube Car Kennel is a soft-sided travel kennel designed for car rides with pets. It's lightweight, features claw-proof fabric, and mesh panels for ventilation and visibility. Vehicle safety. The travel tunnel comes with a buckle and latch system that fastens the kennel to the car seat to keep your dog or cat safe and secure on the road. Versatile design. Can be compressed to half the size to make room for extra passengers. The tunnel is also fully collapsible and stores into a flat disc when not in use for easy storage. And portability. Provides protection. The interior of your car will be protected from scratches, pet hair, mud, and dirt, making it perfect for messy forest hikes and outings on the beach. The crate tunnel is also machine washable for hassle-free cleaning. Product details. Black and gray. One size. 47 inches by 24 inches by 24. Choosing the right size. Choose the perfect carrier size based on your pet's measurements, followed by their weight. Make sure not to exceed the maximum weight limit, and allow enough space for your pet to change positions inside the carrier. The number 3 on the list is: choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Patented. Original design wide side opening door that opens easily and cats feel comfortable walking into. Includes one waterproof bed and one new color carrier. Easy to clean. Folds down easily and compactly. Pet bed is machine washable and dryer safe. Carrier measures 15, 2 inches LX 18, 5 inches WX 14, 2 inches H. Bed size is 18 LX 13, 75 W inch. Holds pets up to 25 pounds. Included components: 1 carrier and 1 bed. The number 2 on the list is: many positives reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Pop open. Fully collapsible. Portable cat cage is convenient and comfortable for both you and your cat. Large enough to easily fit 2 cats with travel litter box. Portable cat litter box sold separately. Comes with easy to clean double-sided, removable waterproof fleece mat and storage bag. Big enough to put both portable cage and Nekoichi portable cat litter box sold separately. Roll up large mesh panels for maximum ventilation and visibility. Zipper locks will prevent cat escaping outside. Safe and reliable. Assembled dimensions: 20 by 20 by 31.8 inches folded. Circle shape. 14 by 14 by 4.5 inches entrance. Front 13.7 inches. Side 24, 4 by 11.8 inches. The number 1 on the list is: this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Creates a cozy cove for right in the back seat of your car or truck. Durable gate entry on each side plus mesh panel sides keep your pet in view. Includes an adjustable security leash for clipping to a harness. 45-1/4, LX 17-1/4, WX 18-3/4, H. Crate-trained pets only. Age range description. All life stages. Ages.